So I'm going to show you how I make a quick, well, hello. And this is the only DIY project I've actually ever successfully done. So I'm going to show you how I do infused water. Okay, it's using the same containers that I make my cold brew in, which is the tube, and it has the top and this bottle. I'm gonna link my, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Okay, you can find this stuff on Amazon. I am gonna probably try and do a blog post or something with it. Maybe that's better. Okay, it's a simple infused water. I'm gonna use apples and water. Okay, it is kind of the same way that they're selling all these infused waters now, where it's supposed to just be like the essence of the fruit and water, and that's it. No sugar, all that stuff. This is the same thing, and it's much cheaper. So yeah, and it doesn't take very long. I do it in a batch so that we all can have it, and I take around maybe at least 2 hours, but 4 hours is like the sweet spot for me. But even as soon as you put the fruit in the water, you can taste the difference to me. So this is good for people who are trying to get off of juice. We're trying to get off of juice. Okay, so I'm going to use the core of the apples. I'm gonna do apple infused water. I'm going to be using the core part of the apple that you have still when you slice apples for yourself or your kids. So I have like this, this part. This is the part I'm gonna put in here. And you can cut as close to the thing as you want. You don't have to worry about the seed that's in there. That's a whole other story about apple seeds if you want to go and Google that. Okay, and potential benefits of those. But this is not what this is about. You can just drop it in here. That's what I do. Drop it in there. I also have the other parts of the apple that just were left, the other slices that were left, the other pieces that you cut off when because your kids are picky like that, and I just put that all in there. Then I pour water. This is like the simplest damn thing ever. But it does take on the flavor of not like a full, it's like kind of like it's like water that has an essence of apple. It's really easy. And I keep it in this about 2 to 4 hours. Put it in the refrigerator. That's what I would prefer to do because you'll have it cold. And that's it. It's really simple. Like I said in my cold brew video, I bought this jar at Target, and it was about $6-7. I'm not gonna link it on Amazon. You can also find it on Amazon too, but you can also get this tube. It's called the tube. I'm gonna swipe up for that because I know I have the link for that. Where you can swipe it up now. The tube, I use this for cold brew of anything. Like this is gonna be a cold brew, I guess. Apple water, anyway, apple tea. But yeah, that's it. Put the cover on it, put it in the refrigerator 2 to 4 hours, or even an hour, and it's good. Okay, if you think water's boring and you need some flavor, try this. I like to do other combinations like cucumber and basil or mint. I get really I try different ones out. Let me know if you liked